As you can see, I have a piece of printed adhesive vinyl and then a piece of glitter laminate laid over the top. I've also put 2 pieces of Scotch tape here just to help hold it in place. I'm going to take a tiny piece of Scotch tape right here and lift up, and it should separate the backing from there. Makes it easy to separate the glitter laminate from its backing. I'm just going to go ahead and pull that back like this. And then I'm going to take my scissors and trim away this backing. We're going to take a squeegee and just use that squeegee and move that glitter laminate right down on top of the vinyl. Then you can take the tape off if you want, or you can leave it on. You're going to pull this back to get it started. Then you're going to follow that same process. Squeegee down. And as you can see, it just goes right on. And then you have a nice piece of adhesive vinyl covered with a glitter laminate.